This Jet Performance Products 68mm Powr-Flo Throttle Body is for the 2005 through 2010 GT Mustang owners looking for a solid supporting mod for their build and a hassle-free way to get some better airflow into the manifold. Now, this aggressive 68mm bore design is definitely for a more moderately to heavily modified motor or a boosted application for a very open flow to support those additional power mods that you may have bolted up. Now, it also serves as a great replacement to your factory components for the moderate to advanced builds if your always stock one's not doing it anymore and you're ready to replace it with an easy bolt-on mod. Now, stock throttle body at 55mm can be restricting, especially in high performance scenarios, whether your GT has an FI setup or you have other power mods that are bolted on that can't reach their full potential with that choke point. Now, this is a significantly larger option at 68mm, being a step up from the pretty popular 62mm sizing, and it does include small machine runners inside of the throttle body to help direct the flow into the manifold more efficiently. Now, that design paired with other performance mods is sure to boost your power and help when it comes to overall responsiveness in your GT, especially if your current one is worse for wear. Now, this is made of a CNC machine aircraft quality aluminum casting for direct replacement to your factory system. And the build of this also has a machine lip to the front for direct fit for whatever intake that you're using. Now, speaking of that, this has all of the electronics pre-installed and configured, so you just have to bolt this up and plug it in for an effortless install process. You don't have to do any specific tuning or any other wiring. Otherwise, again, it's very simple in order to install it. Now, this is about $350, which is actually pretty affordable compared to other options on the page. Now, I will say that this is also one of the only 68mm options in the category as well, not only saving you a couple bucks, but being great for the modified GTs that need some of the most airflow that they can get out of a throttle body. So if these are some of the features and benefits that you are looking for your GT, and if you kind of fit the mold, then this is definitely a great option to pick. As I said, it's very easy to install this. 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter is gonna be what it is. So it's probably gonna take about an hour or so to install this on your GT. However, at this point, I'm gonna hand it over to one of our installers here. They're gonna show you a detailed breakdown on how you can bolt this up. So that wraps it up for me. Let's get into the install.
We're gonna need a ratchet, 5/16 wrench, flathead, a little mini extension, and a 10mm. First, we're gonna disconnect all the connectors. We'll pull this tab, push down, move it out the way. We're gonna disconnect this one, move that out the way, disconnect this one over here, that out the way. This green one you're gonna twist and pull. That's out the way. Now, we're gonna use a flathead. We'll move these bracks, the hose clamps, so we can get the filter off. You're gonna put that to the side. Then you're gonna move these on this side. This out the way. I'm gonna use a little ratchet. With a 10mm for the bottom bolts. There'll be 2 on the bottom. Two nuts. Set those to the side. 5/16s on the top. Hold it while you loosen these last bolts. Put those 2 bolts to the side, pull this off. Now compare it with the new one. We'll make sure they look about the same. So that looked a little different because it's the performance one, but it's the same concept. You gotta check this O-ring. Make sure this O-ring is still good, clean. This is pretty good, it's not bad. Could be reused, so we're gonna reuse the O-ring. If yours is bad, torn, you'll want to replace it. Make sure your surface is clean right here, which is perfect. And now we're gonna put this back. So I'm gonna slide the bottom bolts in. Put the two nuts on the bottom. Start them by hand. It's always good to do a crisscross action when tightening these. So grab your 5/16s. And then top. Tighten the bottom, tighten the top. Let it go. Now let's put everything back together. Here. Make sure your band is on correctly. You want to make a tight seal. Grab your flathead. There you go. I'll put your filter on. Okay, now connect all these connectors back. I like to work my way from the outside in. Make sure you put them in right. Make sure it clicks in. Clicks in. Let's just push right in. And ta-da.
So that wraps it up for my review and the install of the Jet Performance Products 68mm Powr-Flo Throttle Body, fitting all 2005 through 2010 GT Mustangs, and you can find this right here at AmericanMuscle.com.